All right, so I want to show you something that we've done with some kids that have torticollis, which if you're not sure, that means they have a muscle tightness or a preference in their neck. So they either tend to look one direction preferentially, and what can also happen is they can tilt in the opposite direction if they're looking. So if they prefer to look to the right, they're going to tilt their head to the left. What that means is we really want to work on them looking to the left and working on the right neck muscles for the tilting. And that seems like such an awkward thing to do, but one of the ways I've done it is using the ball, and of course he's really intrigued with what's over there right now, but I can move him this way so that we're going to encourage the right side to tilt up a little bit, and then, hey buddy, hi, encourage the looking to the left, so I have to get my head around, and the more support I give him on the trunk, the more he can focus just on the neck. So if I hold him up here nicely, hi buddy, I can get him to look and also kind of work on some of that tilting up. So it's a nice little trick to get both motions at once. Another trick for working on just the tilting is the carry like this. So working on that right tilt, he's getting nice support here from the body. So again, he can just focus on the head, and you could just walk around like this and he has to work on lifting up the whole time so that he's getting that strength back. Because one of the things that happens is if he likes to spend a lot of his time like this, when we do postural reactions, and so we're tilting, he's gonna lift up against gravity and then lift up against gravity. But if he had an actual tilt, he would be really delayed coming up on this side because it's going to take longer for his body to recognize that he's off center because he's so used to having his head tilted to the left. So the more time he can spend like this working on bringing the head back up to midline is going to help. So those are some ideas for working on the neck, strengthening and stretching.